back, 7, back, 8. What's up, y'all? This is Vincanity, and welcome to VincaniTV, the channel that teaches you about breaking and the hip-hop culture. Today, we're going to be working on another prerequisite for learning windmills. This is for all of you who want to learn how to windmill and maybe watch a windmill tutorial and be like, that looks out of my league, right? It looks like something that's a little bit unobtainable. This will help you with both your windmills and also your backspins. This whole month in my beginner breaking class, we are focusing on learning the basics of power moves. And in my intermediate class, we're focusing on learning windmills. We're doing drills, we're learning new techniques, exercises, all that. Click the link below, hop in, and I will see you soon. Lastly, before we get started, if you can, please hit the like button to help push the YouTube algorithm and really pushing this video to new audiences and exposing more people to breaking. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. All right, y'all, so today we're basically gonna be practicing 2 kicks. The outside crescent kick and the inside crescent kick. This is basically the kick that you will do when you hit a backspin. And whether you know it or not, you actually use both of these kicks in that. This same kick will help you in the future with windmills, as well as just a really great way to warm up your hips. Okay, everyone go ahead and take a step back, bend your knees. Okay, we basically want to draw a big circle in front of us, but at the same time we want to rotate our hip with it, right? So we're going to kick this way first and then open up our hip this way. Okay, so let's try it again. Ready? We're going to go around and open. Okay, we're gonna do 10 of these. Ready? Around 1, around 2, around 3, around 4. Slowly get bigger. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And switch legs, same thing, step back, keep your knees bent, and the same thing, kick your leg this way, and go around and open it up. Okay, let's try it again. Ready? Kick around 2, around 3, around 4, slowly get bigger, and 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, nice job. Now, the second kick is the one that a lot of people tend to forget about, right? And that is the inside motion. Now, with this inside motion, if you think about like a backspin, this leg would kick around and then this leg would follow, right? But the only thing different is this leg doesn't actually go in a complete circle, right? So one easy way to do a warm-up would be to swing this leg all the way around like this. But in practicing specifically for a windmill or backspin, I like to take a slight shortcut that we can use both as a stretch and just to train this kick. So if you have a wall in front of you or an object, you're gonna grab that object, right? Pretend I'm holding something, and you're gonna swing your leg this way, and then you're gonna swing it up, all right? So it goes swing, up. You want to kind of aim for your shoulder, but a little bit in front of your shoulder, right? So it goes here and up, just like that. Here and up. We're going to do that 10 times. If you're thinking, whoa, I'm not that flexible, again, just start here. That's as high as it's going to go. Here, ready? We're going to go back. 1, back. 2, back. 3, back. 4, back. 5, back. 6, back. 7, back. 8, back. 9, back. 10. Other side, same thing. Again, really developing the control and the flexibility. Kicking 1, 2, 3, 4. A lot of it is just about this kick going up. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right? So if you think about it, when you're doing like a backspin, basic backspin, your leg is going to swing around and it's going to stop somewhere out here. And right at that second, this leg is going to kick up. It's going to kick you into motion. So that's why I highly recommend doing this drill, not just as a warm-up, but just also a way to start prepping you into doing these kicks with your backspins and your windmills. These kicks will not only help you develop your coordination, but also your flexibility in the future. If anyone needs extra help with your windmill or your backspin, make sure you hop into my online breaking classes. We're spending this whole month working on an introduction to power moves in my beginner class and focusing this whole month on windmills in my intermediate class. Click the link below, sign up. I will see you soon. And if you miss a class, you can rewatch it at any time. All right? Thank you all for being here. And if you all can, please press the like button, favorite this video, leave me a comment, press subscribe to really help push this video and this channel to new audiences. All right? Thank you all for being here. I'll see you next time. Peace.